At Jerudong International School, we are truly committed to transformative education. And this can be seen really clearly through our commitment to sustainability initiatives across the campus. Strategically, we are trying to bring together the campus and the curriculum to build the capacity of the students. And this can be seen through the significant number of sustainability initiatives that we see popping up around the school. Whether it's the rainwater harvesting, the recycled toilet paper from our own paper waste, or our outdoor discovery centre, we are committed to promoting sustainability initiatives so that children can see real-world impacts through the things that they are themselves doing and leading throughout the school. I'm super excited that we are now investing in energy transformation. Behind me, we've got 99 solar panels on top of our state-of-the-art e-learning centre for the sixth form. This is combined with a further 200 panels behind me over here and over 300 on top of our sports complex. In total, we've got 611 solar panels, generating somewhere near 600,000 kilowatt hours of electricity annually. And coupled with our attempts and our initiatives to conserve energy and reduce energy consumption, they're a really visible sign of the school's commitment to sustainable development and making the world a better place for everybody.